Okay, so this question is on BaseNet in artificial intelligence. So let's say you have a BaseNet like this, and these are all like Boolean values. These are all the nodes A, B, C, D, and E, and these are the tables for each of them. Now you have to find out whether certain equations are true or not. So the first equation is probability of D given A, B, C equals probability of D given B and C. So let's find out if this is true or not. So probability of D given A, B, C. D is here, A, B, and C. So this was true, but it equals probability of D given B and C. So probability of D given B and C. So this one is not true because like all the parents have to be given for this guy to like work, otherwise it's not gonna work. So this one's going to be false. So second one, let's say probability of B, C given A equals probability of B given A and probability of C given A. Now probability of B, C given A. So this one's B, gives one C given A equals probability of B given A. So B given A and probability of C given A, so C given A. So this one's going to work because like the parents given, the descendants are like they don't match with each other. So like this one's true. Now the third one is probability of C given AB equals probability of C given B. So probability of C given AB, so C given AB equals probability of C given B. C given B. So B is not the parent of C, so this one's not gonna be true, so this is false. Now for the fourth one, probability of E given A, B, D equals probability of E given A, D. Now E given A, B, D. E given A, B, and D equals probability of E given A and D. So this one's again not gonna be true because like it's missing out on B and B has to be a parent of E. Since that's not given, this one's gonna be false. Okay, now you have to find certain probabilities. So let's say probability of minus A plus B minus C plus D and plus E. Now you're gonna have to find the probability of this thing. Okay, so first of all, you're going to like find the probability of the parents. So the parent is probability of A. So probability of A, since it's minus A, you're gonna have to like write minus A times the probability of B given A, the probability of C given A, and D given A, because like the parent has to be like, you know, with the descendants. So probability of plus B given minus A times the probability of minus C given minus A, the probability of plus D given minus A. And for E, it's probability of E given B and D, because like this thing has two parents, E has two parents. So probability of plus E given that it's plus B and the plus D. Okay, so basically now you're just gonna like put all the values in from the BaseNet. So the values are already given. So probability of A is 0.7. So probability of plus A is 0.7. So probability of minus A will be like 1 minus 0.7, so 0.3 times probability of plus B given minus A. So like it's in this table. So probability of B and A. So B is positive. So plus B and plus A is 0.65. So plus B and minus A, false is minus. So plus B and minus A is 0.15. So you're going to put 0.15 here times probability of minus C given minus A. So like this one. So like this one's positive. So these are all, these both two of these are like plus C. So you're just gonna like 1 minus it. So probability of minus C and given minus A is 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 because like this thing's plus C given minus A. So like minus C given minus A will be 1 minus this value. So 0.5 times the plus D given minus A. So plus D given minus A. Okay, so plus D given minus A, there's going to be like two more values since like this one has both B and C as the parents. So D will be plus D given minus A as well as the B and C. So plus B and minus C. So plus B and minus C. Okay, now you have to find the plus D given minus A plus B and minus C. So the positives are true and the negatives are false. So this one is minus plus minus. So false, true, and false. Okay, false, true, false. That's FTF. So you're going to have to find this out. F, T, and F. And the D is positive. So 0.2. Okay, so 0.2 times the positive E given plus B and plus D. So this one. So plus B and plus D is both of them are true. So T and T 0.4 because it's positive. So okay, so 0.4. So you're just gonna like multiply all these things together. And this should be around 1.8 times 10 to the power minus 3, which is basically 0.0018. So that's the answer. Okay, now let's say you wanted to find something else. Let's say you wanted to find like probability of minus B. Now, how are you gonna do that? You're gonna like find the parents first. So probability of B has a parent of A. So basically like probability of minus B equals probability of minus B given A. So A has two values, which is positive and negative. So probability of minus B given plus A, or probability of minus B given minus A. Now you're also gonna have to like multiply the parents. So like probability of plus A times probability of minus A given plus A plus probability of minus A times probability of minus A given minus A. And now you're just gonna like put the values in. So for plus A is 0.7, so put 0.7 here times minus A given plus A. So minus A, which is F, and plus, okay, so minus B and plus A. So this thing's plus B and plus A. So like 1 minus 0.65, which is 1 minus 0.65 is 0.35. So write down 0.35 plus probability of minus A, which is 1 minus 0.7, which is 0.3 times probability of minus B given minus A. So my light ran out. So like this thing's probability of minus B given minus A, which is basically like minus a here and minus b, so 0.15, 1 minus 0.15, which is 0.85. Okay, so put 0.85, and when you add these two together, it should be around 0.5. Okay, so that's done.